Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga guys. Para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa Marquee Mall, Angeles City, and we were invited by Laos Auto Group and Ford Philippines to witness their vehicle launch para sa all-new territory. Guys, I'm really excited kasi isa sa mga pangarap kong sasakyan to. So, I'm gonna show you kung anong nangyari ngayon. And if you are interested to know more guys, check out the links, information that we're gonna be providing in this video. Let's go! So just to let you know guys, ever since na lumabas ang Ford Territory, isa sa mga dream cars ko na yan. Kagandahan pa dito, yung all-new 2025 Ford Territory is a hybrid model, meaning it runs via electric and at the same time, meron pa rin siyang internal combustion engine. Check out the information we're gonna be including in this post. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Bye guys.